my song. Can you feel your soul trembling? I just had another amazing idea. A front row seat for this guest. The audience here is top-notch. Free your soul. I can't believe I'm the teacher now. Who else wants to join? I have freed you. Don't think you can get away with offending me. I will never return to Lokheim. Applause, please. The flesh is a burden. Isn't it amazing to be reborn? Welcome to my orchestra. I have arrived. This is the last song. Music is invigorating, isn't it? Please, keep your mouth shut. Objection overruled. Ready. Good listeners are much more rare than good performers.